our first milled table out of the Colfax High wood shop. You have a piece of cypress, natural edge, laid on plywood, outlined with black walnut and steel legs fabricated in our metal shop. Max is graduating. What project do you have here, Max?
This is a retirement present for one of our retiring teachers this year. We did it as kind of like a final present as we're graduating, so we figured if we had all the seniors sign the bottom of the river, we would go out with him and it would be a retirement present for him when he leaves. And I really wanted to make a river table this whole year, and this was a great inspiration for the whole project. It really put some drive behind it, and I think it turned out amazing.
Oh, that's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Let's see how we made it.
All right, so here's the mill we used for it. It's a brand new wood miser mill we just got, and then this is the cypress log on it. I just cut the piece, cut it in half, and flipped them around, and that was the river. Yeah, so this is how we surface down the board. You just, this is the new 4x8 CNC mill we got. You set the board on top and level it across the whole piece to make sure the surface is completely level. Makes the project a little easier.
Did the rest in our traditional style wood shop, but we did use our nice new finishing Fest tools for sanding or dust-free sanding, and went over to metal and fabricated the legs in metal.